Alright, today I am going to be making ramen noodles with butter, garlic, and fresh dIll. Alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is open up the ramen noodles and place the ramen noodles inside of the boiling water. Pull out the flavoration packet. Eat some of the crunchies that are left in here. Absolute goodness. Alright? And then I'm going to go ahead and open up my flavoration packet and set that to the side. Alright? Now once I have that set to the side, I'm going to pour my butter. As you can see, I have butter in here that melted in the bag because I didn't take it out of the bag before it started to melt. And pour it inside of the pan. Right like this. Absolute goodness. Alright? Once you have your butter in your pan, dispose of whatever it was in and turn the pan on. Alright? Now I'm going to check up on, let's see how the ramen noodles are doing back there. Now I don't want the ramen noodles to overcook. Remember, al dente is what we're going for. Alright? Absolute goodness. Go ahead and separate this a little bit so the water permeates that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of garlic to the pan. Alright, right here I have garlic. I'm just going to shave it in the shaver like this. Absolute goodness. Alright, so after I finish shaving it, I'm just going to tap it in there, and then I'm going to mixture it a little bit up with my spoon. It's got the garlic in there. It's going to start to frietate. Now while that's going on, I'm going to take my dIll and put my dIll in the pan. Alright, so go ahead and put your dIll in the pan just like that. Absolute goodness, alright? Chop up your dIll and put it in the pan. Alright, so once it's in there, I'm going to go back here and check up on my ramen noodles, which should be almost done. Alright, meanwhile, I'm going to saute the garlic in here. It's going to start to toast. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this. Oh man, it's smelling great. It's toasting a little bit. Meanwhile, the ramen noodles should be done, so I'm going to go ahead and get the ramen noodles from out of the pan back here. Oh, the garlic is smelling good, you guys. Absolute goodness. Alright, so I have the garlic in there, and then I'm going to take the strained ramen noodles, and I'm just going to put the strained ramen noodles on top. Alright, now once in there, I'm going to stir it a little bit up, turn the pan up high. Put the flavoration packet in there like that. Alright? And you know what I'm going to do? Today, I'm going to put a little bit of wine in here. I still have a little bit leftover Chardonnay wine. So I'm going to put a little bit of Chardonnay wine in there and let that frietate. And then take a little bit of pepper. Put some pepper in there. Absolute goodness. And then I'm just going to stir this up slightly, just to make sure the flavoration gets all around in there. Absolute goodness. Alright, so that should be about done. So I'm going to turn that off. And then I'm going to get my bowl and put this into the bowl like that. Oh, the wine sauce smells so good. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.